We launch new platforms to fight the bandits and the terrorism in Katsina. And here we have an annex in Sokoto, thanks to the governor for all his support. We are arranging an annex here where some of the aircrafts will be stationed here also for the fight. So today we launch new aircrafts, new platforms for the fight against terrorism, and the latest version of attack helicopters, and some UAVs in Katsina. That's Sector 2 of the operations, Pansayama, and we come to inspect how ready Sokoto is to take some of these platforms that we have, so we can be able to deploy either from Sokoto or from Katsina to serve the Sector 2 of the command of the operation Pansayama.
At the interim, what are your assessment?
Well, I think they are ready. You can see some of the aircrafts have landed. Even one of the platforms is here, and we will bring some more as we promised. And I think they are ready. And I inspected also the new site where we are building a permanent site for the Air Force, so as to really have strong annex here, so that a lot of other aircrafts can be brought here to support the fight. The Air Force is really pushing very hard with the recent attacks in so many bandits hideout, and you also know that the bandits are running away from us today. Now they are running away from the attacks, and the decisive and quick action taken on Lakurawa is a testament to the brilliance and the resilience of our armed forces.